What I have in my hands right now is NVIDIA's latest GeForce RTX 5090 Founders Edition graphics card, and it can do three amazing things. First, with AI image generation guided by 3D, you can create a skeleton in the 3D software Blender, which allows you to produce stunning images. You can change the perspective in any way you want, and then easily change the prompt to produce a variety of different styles. If you want to add a yacht, just drag the 3D model of the yacht in, and then change the prompt to have a beautiful Venice. Next is the PDF to podcast conversion. You can throw hundreds of pages of PDF directly into the city, and it will grab all the contents of the PDF and then generate a podcast for you to absorb.
It's like the Avengers of the tech world.
That sounds amazing. You can also ask it questions like, where can I go biking in Taiwan? And it will give you a few popular biking destinations, like Sun Moon Lake. But I think the most powerful feature is NVIDIA's AI rendering technology, DLSS. If you're playing 4K games and experiencing some lag, turning on DLSS 3.5 can boost your frame rates by 4 times. The picture becomes more exquisite, and after opening DLSS 4, the frame rate reaches 8 times. The reason the frame rates can jump from the 20s to over 200 is that for every frame the GPU calculates, it uses AI to generate 3 additional frames. On average, for every 16 pixels, 15 are AI generated, which significantly boosts rendering efficiency. Do you want a graphics card like this? If you do, share this video with the person who might want to buy it for you.